Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your name in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on LinkedIn account and then click on your profile picture at the top left and then click on settings. Click on account preferences. Click on name, location, and industry. So at the first page, you will see that you are able to change your first name and your last name. And once you are happy with the changes, you can click on save and it should be able to change your name. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.